Hello and welcome back to the Helmet Head YouTube channel. Now, vehicle dash cams for your car, your van or your motorhome have become pretty much essential for today, because if you're unlucky enough to be caught in an accident or something happens to your vehicle, capturing that footage could make the difference from getting your claim accepted or declined. Now, the thing of it is, most dash cams on the market film the front and they film the rear, but what happens if something hits the sides? Really, you want something to cover it all. Well, exactly, I've got that from this. The TIESFONG M10 Max. What this will do, it will record the front and the rear and the sides, 2K quality, and it means you've got every angle covered. And they've sent me this to give it the 11 out of 10 review that will include unboxing, installation and real world tests. So let's put this through exactly that and cue the intro. So let's start with the great unboxing. The packaging comes well packaged, feels extremely good quality and well printed. On opening up the box, the first thing you'll see is a 128 gig SD card. What's fantastic means you don't have to go out and purchase one separately. There is a user manual and installation guide that is clearly printed and well labelled to make installation super easy. Next, you will find your M10 Max control unit. This feels really good quality straight out of the box. You've got your SD slot, your power input and of course your rear camera input as well. As you can see, both top cameras rotate and twist, meaning that you can get the perfect angle. Digging deeper in the box, you will find these free gifts. This includes a lens protector, these extra sticky pads, you've got a USB-C cable, 3 windscreen protectors, a 2.0 micro SD to USB adapter, plus you've got 5 connectors for easy trim tidying, and this trim tool, what comes in really handy for hiding your wires. The power lead that comes with it has a generous amount of cable that should make it easy to plug into any car or van. Next, you will find your rear camera. This also comes with plenty of cable, so it should fit any van or camper van as well as any car. It even has a suction plate for the front camera if you don't want to use any sticky pads. And that is everything inside the box, so let's move on to installation. First thing you need to do is take your SD card and put it into the slot. Then take your screen protector and simply screw it on until it's nice and firm and in place. Take your windscreen protector, make sure that you pick the right place that you'd like your camera to go and push it onto place, sliding your hands over, removing any air bubbles. Take your M10 Max, remove the protective film on your 3M sticker and simply put it into place. Do your absolute best to try to make this as level as possible. Do the same with your rear camera. This can either go on your rear window or even under your number plate. Hide your wiring under your internal trim and use your sun visor to lead it back to your unit. Take your power cable, plug it into your cigarette lighter, run the wires underneath the carpet and then use your sun visor again to hide the wires at the top. Simply plug your rear camera in and your power cable, and within a few seconds your M10 Max will power up. You can now simply adjust your front, side cameras and rear camera to make sure they're exactly where you want them. You will find that there is plenty of different settings, so you can adjust your dash cam to run exactly how you want, including 1 minute, 2 minute or 3 minute loop recording. To download the app, simply scan the QR code. This will take you to your app store. As soon as this is installed, you can connect to your M10 Max via Wi-Fi. This will open up all of the cameras, plus you can download any of the footage from any of the cameras or all of the cameras, making it super easy to download. That now brings us onto our real world test, and straight away what I really like from the driver's position is that the camera screen that you can easily see, but also it's dark enough not to shine in your face, making it a distraction. So now let's switch to the onboard footage, and as you can see, it's really crystal clear, good quality, and being able to swap between all of these cameras from the driver's side to the passenger side, even to the rear camera, is something I've never seen before, giving me that real peace of mind. For instance, see the people on the left, you can capture it as they walk from behind the vehicle to the side of the vehicle, and not just that, then you can follow it onto the front. So if this was an incident and you were following people or an object, you simply could get that entire 360 view from this M10 Max. So this is an in-vehicle audio test to give you an idea of what it would sound like if somebody was speaking to you inside the vehicle, if you had your window open, so you can record all of the sound. This is now with the music playing to give you an example of what you're picking up. This is the music playing inside the vehicle. Here is a great example of what this camera can pick up. There's some horse riders in front of us we've all slowed down for. A gentleman comes flying around the bend ridiculously too quick, upsetting the horse riders. As you can see, he zooms by on my side camera there. This is just an example of something had happened. You'd capture every single part of what's going on, from what's in front of you to the side of you and behind. As you can see from all the information on the bottom left hand side, this was filmed at nearly 4 p.m. in January, so we're about to lose our light. That brings us on to the night test. And this dash cam really shines again. It is pitch black out there now, and I'm able to capture so much with this really awesome night style mode. As you can see with the grey cameras on the left and the right, it really does well at picking up objects as well. I cannot say how impressed I am. This is pitch black at night and you're catching some really awesome footage. The front camera performs amazingly. The back camera through the tinted glass on the back really performs well. And like I said, with the cameras on the side, you do not miss a single thing. We're even capturing how many miles per hour we're doing because it's got its own built-in GPS. As you can see again from the bottom left hand side with the coordinates. So you've got your coordinates, you've got your miles per hour, you've got the date it's being filmed and the exact time. And this is all via GPS, so you never worry about it being out of time or out of date. So I'm sure you'll agree with me that the M10 Max is seriously next level. With that front camera, rear camera and side filmed in such good quality, you will capture every single moment. Now if you're looking to buy this dash cam, then check the description down below because all of the information is down there with all the links that you need to pick yourself one up. And if you've enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like, a small comment and also sharing the video as well so other people can find this awesome product. And I will see you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.